Hello and welcome everyone. Today's video has been highly requested ever since this game was first announced and released. It's an exciting day because we're covering a classic that brings back so much nostalgia for me, and I spent countless hours playing this on my slim PS2 back in the day, and now we have an amazing port for the PS Vita. In this video, I'll guide you through the installation process step by step. Everything you need will be provided in the comment section down below. Now you might be wondering, why am I covering this just now? I originally planned to do this last year, but due to some personal setbacks, I had to hold off. That said, I love interacting with you all, whether it's through the comments, live streams, or on Discord. So if you ever need help or just want to chat, don't hesitate to reach out. My name is Robles Jr. and I'm passionate about covering homebrew guides here on YouTube. If you enjoy this type of content, please consider subscribing. I also share news, updates, guides, and unboxings for gaming consoles like the PSP and PS Vita. I also stream weekly where I hang out with my community and host live Q&A sessions covering everything from console mods and homebrew to personal life struggles and beyond. So let's get this amazing game installed right away, and I've provided all the necessary files in the comment section, so once you've downloaded everything and extracted them, follow these simple steps. Copy the Simpsons folder into the data directory on your PS Vita, and you can do this by connecting your PS Vita through USB mode. Make sure you press start and enable the SD2 Vita as the location to transfer files, and have the USB connection all set up by pressing the select button. And finally, copy the VPK file to the root of your PS Vita. Now, because the port uses PC assets, you will need to have the PC version of the game installed. If you already have it, simply right-click the game icon on your desktop, select Open File Location to access the game files, and copy the contents into a new folder inside the data directory, naming it Simpsons. Once that's done, head over to Vita Shell and install the VPK, and you're all set. Now make sure you have the libshacccg.suprx file properly installed, and if you haven't already done that, I have a full guide covering it, so check out the link in the description down below. Now, as far as performance and gameplay goes, I have to say I was seriously impressed with how well this game runs on the PS Vita. It's amazing to see ports like this breathe new life into this console, expanding its potential even further, and who knows what's next. So now let's move on by talking about cheats and unlockables, because they are so much fun in this game. There's a really sweet cheat code where you can unlock every single car in the game, enable one-hit wrecks, display a speedometer, make your car invincible, adjust camera angles, turn on drunken drive mode, and so much more. I was curious to see if the original PS2 cheat codes would work on this version, and surprisingly they actually work. So here's how to activate them. From the main menu where Homer is sitting on the couch, go to the settings and lower the music volume. This is important because the game plays a sound when a cheat is entered successfully. Back out and hold the L and R triggers together and enter the cheat code. I'll provide a link to the cheat codes in the comment section down below. And for example, to unlock all the cars, you want to press XOXO. If you entered correctly, you'll hear a horn sound confirming the cheat worked. So to check if it worked, start a new game, and go to the phone booth and press the R trigger while selecting a car. If the menu doesn't pop up, retry the cheat. Sometimes it takes a few attempts to activate it. And from this pop-up menu, you can choose whichever car you'd like to start driving, and it's pretty awesome. All cheats must be entered at the main menu before you start the game, and they won't work mid-game, so I tested that with no success. And that is it for this guide. I hope this helped you to get started with the game. Let me know in the comment section how it worked out for you, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you never miss any new content here on the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and happy gaming.